RC Doctor here. Today we have the Traxxas Teton latrax. Got a couple of these for both my daughters. Next thing I know, look down and boom, that suspension arm is just toast. Thing exploded into a bunch of pieces. So today, we're gonna be throwing that guy back on there, fixing her good as new. Let's get down to business. So we have two screws, one here, another two there and there, and the final two on the bottom. Then we can get this bumper to come off. Let's go ahead, pop her off. Now let's get that arm off there. Well, that's all that's left of it. Let's go ahead and make sure we put all our hardware onto this guy. There's a shock mount. There we go. We got her on there. And I'm pretty sure, guys, with as hard as we are around here, I think I'm gonna have to go with the RPM A-arms. But for now, we just want to fix it. And make sure if your drive axles pop out, you put them back in. You don't want to get this thing finished up, then all of a sudden you look and you see your stuff's not even connected. Now we got to get this last pin in here.